Say happy birthday. Come on, you can do it. It's Grasa Emmanuela's birthday.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Joyeux anniversaire Grasa Emmanuela.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela. Hope you get to do all your favorite things.
Happy birthday to my friend Grasa Emmanuela.
Wishing you a very happy birthday from the tip of my tail to the end of my nose. And may all your dreams come true.
Breaking news. It's Grace Emmanuela's birthday, again? How is that even possible? Didn't we just celebrate this last year? Stay tuned for a rundown on all the birthday party festivities.
Happy birthday, my friend Grasa Emmanuela.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Can you help me find Grasa Emmanuela's party?
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Happy birthday, Grasa Emmanuela.
Wait, what? You can talk?
Please subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment. Maybe tell me something special about your dogs. Now, let's get Grasa Emmanuela's party started.